It's just snow everywhere. It's like 4 feet of snow. This is ridiculous. Standing in the snow. Oh, sorry. This is snow. Now how Josh plan on getting out of the... Josh going down the street? With all this snow, look how high the snow come up. Here's my knee. I'm stuck in the snow. Never seen this much snow in my life. Josh ain't going to work. Oh, look at their backyard. Oh, they came in at their back door. Look at my backyard. Jesus. This is beautiful. Oh, by the swing. The snow is all over the pool. You should see the snow in the alley. Look at the alley. Nobody's getting through that alley, and nobody's getting down that street. Nobody in this neighborhood is going to work. And I mean no one. Whew. Snow is about 4 feet tall. Well, except for this on the side of the garage, it looks like it's about 5.